Hi, my name is Tara Stevens and I'm a counselor at BHR Behavioral Health Response. Today I want to try a mindfulness exercise that I find extremely helpful when I am laying in bed at night and having a hard time shutting off my brain and falling asleep. And this exercise is really easy to do because what we're doing is picturing the sky. So think about a time in your life where maybe you've laid on the grass or in a chair and you've looked up at the sky and you looked at the clouds floating by. Try to visualize that. Are you laying on some grass right now? Are you laying in a chair? You're looking up at a blue sky with clouds passing by. Are those clouds big puffy clouds or little thin clouds? What do those clouds look like? Okay, so as we're visualizing the sky, I want you to think of the sky as your mind. Okay, and the clouds are your thoughts and your feelings. So we're seeing the sky, and now I want you to focus on your breathing. So take some deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now as we see those clouds, they go past us, right? The sky stays the same, and those clouds go floating by. So our sky is our mind, and those clouds are our thoughts and our feelings. Get some deep belly breathing. We're watching those clouds pass by. Now when you do this exercise, you're gonna have thoughts come in your head, right? You're gonna have feelings associated with those thoughts, and that's okay. I want you to accept those thoughts that are coming in, but I don't want you to spend a whole lot of time on them. Okay, I want you to think about them, give them a label, one word, maybe a short phrase, and I want you to put it in a cloud and watch the cloud drift off. So maybe I have a thought about a bill that needs to be paid. I'm going to accept that thought and I'm going to label it bill. I'm going to put it in the cloud and I'm going to watch it float away. Maybe I have a worry that comes in my head about a project at work. I'm going to accept that worry. I'm going to label it, put it in the cloud, and watch it go away. And while I'm doing this, I'm just focusing on my breathing, visualizing the sky. I'm not focusing on those stressors or worries, right? I'm accepting them, labeling them, and putting them on their way. This is clearing my mind and making me mindful of the present moment. I'm tuning out those stressors and those worries by letting them float away. I'm not going to think about them right now. I'm going to calm my body down. Because when I calm my body down, I calm my mind down. So continue to focus on your breathing. Give those thoughts and feelings a label and put them in the cloud and let it go by. This exercise also works if you want to work with children on it, putting labels on different thoughts and feelings in the cloud and letting it go by, or maybe putting it on a train and letting it go by. Adapt it so it works for you, okay? But really just make sure that you're focused on that breathing and we're mindful of the present moment.